Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we'll be diving deep into the topic of hair loss and discussing effective solutions to reduce it. If you're struggling with hair loss or want to learn more about this issue, make sure to watch until the end. Let's get started. Hair loss refers to the process of hair strands falling out from the roots. It's a common issue that many people face at some point in their lives. Hair loss can manifest differently in men and women. Men often experience it as thinning on the crown and receding hairlines, while women might see more diffuse thinning throughout the scalp. There are numerous causes of hair loss, including genetic factors. Hair loss can be hereditary. If your family has a history of hair loss, you might be more prone to it yourself. Genetic hair loss, often referred to as androgenetic alopecia, is commonly seen in both men and women. Hormonal changes. Hormonal imbalances can lead to hair loss. For women, this might include postpartum hair loss, menopause, or other hormonal fluctuations. In men, changes in testosterone levels can contribute to hair loss. Stress and anxiety. High levels of stress and anxiety can accelerate hair loss. Stress can weaken hair follicles, leading to increased shedding. Managing stress is crucial for overall hair health. Nutritional deficiencies. A lack of essential vitamins and minerals can lead to hair loss. Important nutrients for hair health include iron, zinc, biotin, vitamin A, vitamin D, and omega-3 fatty acids. Hair care products and chemicals. Hair products with harsh chemicals can damage the hair's natural structure and cause hair loss. Chemical treatments like hair coloring and straightening can weaken the hair. Medical conditions. Certain medical conditions, such as thyroid disorders, lupus, and polycystic ovary syndrome, PCOS, can lead to hair loss. Addressing the underlying medical issue is crucial for managing hair loss. Balanced and healthy diet. Support hair health by maintaining a balanced diet. Focus on foods rich in proteins, vitamins, and minerals. Specifically, protein. Hair is primarily made of keratin, which requires protein. Include sources like chicken, fish, eggs, and legumes in your diet. Iron. Iron deficiency can cause hair loss. Incorporate red meat, spinach, and lentils into your meals. Zinc. Zinc is important for hair growth and repair. Nuts, seeds, and seafood are good sources of zinc. B vitamins. Biotin and B12 vitamins are crucial for hair health. Eat whole grains, dairy products, and leafy greens to get these vitamins. Stress management. Reducing stress can improve hair health. Engage in relaxation techniques such as meditation, yoga, or deep breathing exercises. Regular physical activity can also help manage stress levels. Hair care routines. Wash your hair gently and use products suitable for your hair type. Avoid harsh chemicals and heat treatments. Regularly massage your scalp with natural oils like olive oil. Moisturizes the scalp and nourishes hair follicles. Argan oil can enhance shine and health of the hair. Aloe vera soothes the scalp and may promote hair growth. Scalp massage. Regularly massaging your scalp can increase blood flow and strengthen hair follicles. Spend a few minutes massaging your scalp to improve circulation and nutrient delivery. Anti-hair loss products. Consider using shampoos, serums, and other products designed to reduce hair loss. Products containing minoxidil have been shown to be effective. However, consult a dermatologist or hair specialist before starting any new treatment. Medical intervention. If hair loss becomes severe, seeking professional help may be necessary. Dermatologists can offer various treatments such as medication, PRP, platelet-rich plasma, therapy, and hair transplants. Appropriate hairstyles and heat treatments. Avoid excessive heat styling and tight hairstyles that can damage hair follicles. Use heat protectants if you must style your hair with heat, and be gentle when detangling. Hair loss can stem from various factors, and solutions can vary from person to person. The key is to take appropriate steps to maintain your hair health and seek professional help if needed. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Share your experiences and questions about hair loss in the comments below. See you in the next video, and take care!